Hey guys, welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to fix the Fortnite Crash Reporter. And to do so, it's very easy, so let's get straight into it. Now, the first thing that you have to do is to open your launcher, your Epic Games launcher, and then go to your profile button in the top right, and then go to the settings. Click on settings, and then here you will find yourself on this page. Just scroll down a bit until you find the Fortnite section. Click on Fortnite, and then here in the additional command line arguments, check it, and here you will have to add this dash d3 d11. So it's very important that you type it like that, dash d3 d11. Right. Okay, so now you will have to restart your launcher and then go into the library, go to Fortnite, the three dots under Fortnite, and go to manage. Now once you have clicked on manage, you will find this installation thing. Go hover your mouse there, and on the left of the uninstall button you will find a button that tells you open install location. Click on it, and then here go to the Fortnite file. This is where Fortnite is installed. So you will have to go to Fortnite game, and then go to binaries, and then in binaries go to Win64, and then in Win64 you will find these three. So you have to scroll down a bit depending on your machine. Maybe it's at the top, maybe it's in the middle. So just scroll down until you find Fortnite client, Windows 64, one, and this anti-cheat, and the Fortnite launcher. So once you find these, right click on Fortnite launcher to begin with, and then click on show more options. Now once you have clicked on show more options, you will find properties and then go to compatibility. Now once you have opened the compatibility tab, click on run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. Don't question it, it's just like that. Just check it, and then click on disable full screen optimizations, and then check also run this program as an administrator. Click on apply, do the same process for the two others that you have just seen, and restart your computer and your error should be fixed. Now I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.